Hi, so in this tutorial, we will learn how we can install any software on Linux machine if we have a source code of that software. So let's start now. First of all, I just have a link. I actually tried to search the same problem on Google and I found a good link. This is the good link which I found. And as I'm using right now Ubuntu, so the first method fits on me. Firstly, what I have to do is that I installing the required tools. So it says that most of the software built for the Linux are programmed into the in C or C++ languages. So it says that I need to run this command, which will probably install all of the primary or basic softwares which are need to compile the do source code. So that I have done. Second thing, as it is Ubuntu, so I have used this one. And second thing, it says that downloading the package source. So this was my okay. So this was the OpenGP software which I have to install. And let's take this as an example, like how I can install this. So for the Linux version, this is the link. I just went to this link. There is the download section. Here you can see that there is a GNU PG name, version is 244 and date is this. So it is latest one. I need to download the tarball. I don't know how to download the signature. I need to learn how to use the signatures because for every software which I'm seeing right now for Linux, there is a file along with the signature. So that I have to check. So I downloaded the software and in my download drive, if you see here, this is that software, actually this one. And then I just extracted it here. So I got this folder. Now it says that after doing so, it is asking me that some knowledge on how to compile and install software is required. So I just went to this link and it says that after downloading the package, you need to uh, you need to extract that, and after extracting, what you need to do is you need to go into that folder. So see, in this compiling the source code step, it is asking me to go into that software, into that folder. So I came into that folder and I am just opening this three dot and opening the terminal, right? And here what I'm doing is that I actually it is asking me to read these two files because they contain valuable information on how to compile and install the package. These files are usually located in the root folder of the source code. So the source code root folder is this one. If I see here install file, this is that one. It is actually telling me in broad way like what commands I need to run. It is asking me to run this command first, and then it is asking me to later on it is asking me this way to compile. So it is saying me first of all to create a directory named build, then go into that directory and then run this dot right, forward slash configure command. Then after this asking me to run the make command, and then it is asking me to make check command, and then it is asking me to make install command, and then after that everything will be, you can remove the program binaries and object files by deleting the all files from the build directory in case you do not use the dedicated folder what you use built in the. So ultimately saying you, I can make the clean also. This is the just detailed thing. And I also tried to, I also thought that I should tried, I thought that I should try to um, check the readme file also because that told me that I need to run and check the this file. Here, I just read that and it is saying that I need to firstly install these five dependencies. So to do so, I actually went on these URLs. So for example, I take this example. You can see that for this page, we have the listing of all of the files. The first one is there are lots of versions available here. The latest version is this one at top, and I have installed it. I have downloaded this one, also the signature one. For the remaining four libraries also, I will be seeing the same interface, and I need to download the top one. That will be the top one, right? And after that, what I tried, I actually tried to install the libak sba. But when I was trying to install this, I was getting error like it is needed the n path or something else. So that means I need to actually install the things in the sequence. So first of all, after downloading it, I actually went on the folder, same way GNUPG, netpath. Here I actually extracted that, and after that I went it in. I actually opened the command prompt from here, and after opening the command prompt, I have actually run this. I have seen the readme file, and it is nothing information here. So I went to the install full file, and then it is asking me to run all those commands like dot configure first. So what I did, I actually run this command, and after running this command completely, I actually executed make command. I'm not running because I have done already these things. That's why make command, and if there is no error in the make, then I will be running make check. So I tell you what happens. Uh, with this command configure, we configure the package for our system. है ना? And then after running only make, we actually compile the package. And then when we run this make check, that means we are running the test cases of the source code. And then when we are running this command, that means we are installing the binaries which we received in while compilation into the system. So that is the actual command which we are doing so for. And then after this, I am running this command to check the installation. And then after this, my final command is like clean. So just to clean the uh, bin directories simply. This is the process for all these uh, all these five dependencies. After doing this, what I did, see, you can see all these commands are there. So after all doing installing all these dependencies, I went down and I saw that these are more files. So that means it is asking me to perform two more steps. So what I did, I actually went to the uh, this folder, and then I just and then I actually opened this terminal, and one by one I have actually run all these commands, 1 2 3 4 5 6 commands. And after doing so, when I didn't get any error, and after doing so, when I actually went gpg2, I was getting error, gpg2 does not install. So I went on to the page again. Page means this page. And it says that throughout this page, we will using gnpg this to command. If it does not work for you, try gpg instead. I tried gpg double hyphen version, and it is working. See, the version is exact which I have installed. Everything is there. And if I type gpg, that means it is working. Go ahead and type your message. Hello. So seems like it is working now. That means I have installed this software on my Linux machine now. So this is the way by which you can download and compile and install the any software on Linux by using its source code. Okay, yeah, thank you guys.